Welcome back to Cooking with Mom. Today we're making red velvet cheesecake brownies.
So the first thing we have to do is just melt 8 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna make our chocolate batter in this pot. Sugar into the pot. You want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Okay, yeah, you got it. Good job. Can you crack the eggs in here for me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the pot. You crack the eggs in. I think this is
Good.
okay, good.
Where did I put it?
Just put it on the table.
Okay.
Okay, can you add that in?
Yeah.
Don't touch the pot, remember? Good.
Do we put this in?
Yeah. What is that?
Cream cheese? I'll put it in.
Vanilla extract. Put it in. Okay. Now what?
Now we use this.
Yeah? What's that?
It's powdered sugar.
Cocoa powder.
Oh.
Okay.
Your mother made cocoa powder. I don't make that sound up.
Salt.
Now we use this.
That's flour. Can you put the flour in?
I know all.
Put it all
And
in.
now you need boiled egg.
Do you want to stir it or do you want me to stir it?
Ew.
Okay. Okay, that's all it took. That's all. Brownie batter, ready to go. We could just stop here, make delicious brownies, but we are gonna take it to the next level. So our brownie layer is done. Now we have to make our cheesecake layer.
Waddle is done.
Okay, so we'll start with 6 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. Artie, can you add the other stuff? That's a tablespoon of flour.
Good.
3 tablespoons of confectioners sugar. Can you put that in for me?
Yes.
Okay. 1 egg,
Okay, good.
all at room temperature. Do you want to mix it or do you want me to mix it? And then we just mix it up.
Yikes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, well.
Okay, do you want to help me scoop some of the cheesecake mixture into the brownie mixture?
Yeah.
I'll do 1.
I want to do it.
Okay, you can do it. Just do that all over.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Can you do that until that's all gone? Do you want me to do it?
Ew.
Okay.
That is all for the brownies.
And now we need the jam. Okay, so I'm gonna just dollop some jam around. Do you wanna help me?
No thanks.
Okay. And then we'll swirl it. Are you gonna help me swirl it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's probably enough. Do you wanna do it or do you want me to do it?
Ew.
So then I just take a butter knife and swirl it around.
It looks like a volcano.
It does kind of look like a volcano. And now this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 22 minutes. You're looking for everything to be set. The cheesecake will jiggle just a little bit. I think it's better to underbake these than overbake them because if you overbake them, they're dry. If you underbake them, they're just super gooey and delish.
Second, gonna put more brownie.
All right, refreshed?
Now I'm happy.
Yay! All right, well, look at these gorgeous brownies. Should we taste them?
What about the marshmallows?
That's a different episode. Okay, you wanna try it?
Wow.
All right, Bugaboo. You wanna pick your own piece?
Yeah.
Okay, you pick. I like the edges too. I'm gonna take an edge. What do you think?
It tastes good.
Thanks. I'm glad you like them. Get the recipe on food52.com. Right?
Uh-huh. I want my hands. These are very messy.
Yes.